Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about how to create and customize a website on Wix for wedding and bridal business easy and quick. So as we know, Wix is a type of websites that you can create easily using a platform called Wix. It helps you build your own site without needing to know how to code. It offers various tools to design, add content and customize your site. So first of all, let's start from here, build with Wix editor. And as you see here, you can start with Chat AI, so it's gonna help you to build your site and customize and set up your site. And also you can go to basic setup. So for me, I'm gonna go from here, basic setup without AI. So you can enter your business type. So here you can select your type of your business within planning company or within planner, whatever you like, within shop. So I'm gonna go within shop. Let's continue. Okay, so enter here your business name. Do you already have an online store or not? What would you like to sell, physical product or digital product or dropshipping product? So this depends on your business. Where would you like to sell your mobile app, in person, marketplaces and social media, or online store? Now let's continue to dashboard. Okay, so as you see, you can go to design the site now. So how would you like to design your website? You can use Wix create a site for you or customize the design template. So I'm gonna start from here, so let's get started. Okay, so now you can enter your informations, the name and the email, your address, your phone, the social link. Now you can pick a theme you like, pick a theme match your business. So you can try your best to make your site look attractive to attract more customers to your website. Now you can pick your favorite homepage design. Okay, for example, I'm gonna choose this one. Okay, now you can add page to your site if you want. Okay, so wait a few seconds for preparing your homepage design. Now as you see, your site is up and running, so you can go to editor to complete design. So as you see here, this is the editor page. Here you can add elements, you can add sections, you can design the site. So first of all, here you can add elements. Start from text, you can customize the theme text, the titles and the paragraphs. Okay, so the image here also, you can upload images, you can import images. The buttons, you can customize the theme buttons, the text and icon buttons, the icon buttons. Also here we have decorative, you can customize the theme lines, the basic shapes, rows, horizontal lines. So if you want to add something new, you can just click here, add section. You can select what kind of sections you want to add on your home page. Okay, so here we have the site design. You can customize your site design. You can change the color theme or the text theme, the page background or the page transitions. So that's it. So the first thing here we have the header section. So you can change, you can customize the site name. You can manage the horizontal menu if you want. So nothing special here. Let's move on to the next section. As you see here, you can change the section background, the strip background, this image here. Also, if you want to change this paragraph, just click on it and you can regenerate another one. Just click here and select the type of the section. For example, this is welcome section, and insert here information to include, and as you see, it's gonna create it. You can use it. So like this. Now let's move on to the next section. So here, this is the product section. So if you want to manage products, okay, so you can go and new products. You can choose physical or digital file. Okay, now as you see, you can add the title of your product, add images and videos. You can add product informations, the name and the description. You can customize the pricing. You can change the discount and the sale pricing. You can change and customize the inventory and the shipping. So that's it. After you're done, you can just save this place and go back to complete design. So here, this is the service section. You can change this paragraphs or this text here. Okay, this is the opening hours, so you can regenerate another uh, opening hours. Just create here text, and you can describe here what you want, and it's gonna create it for you. So that's it. This is the client section, the future section. So you can change the text as you see. Also, you can change the color in the background. Okay, for example, this one. If you want to change this image, just click on it and search on it on the search. Okay, so you can search on wedding bridal. Okay, so for example, you can choose wherever you like from here. For example, I'm gonna choose this one here. So that's it. This is the last section here. You can just add your email and the company name for the copyright. So before you publish your website, you can go to the preview and see what your site looks like on desktop. If you want to also save it, you can save it from here, auto save. So now you can go live and publish your website, so you can start selling and start your business. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like, don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.